Okay, so this is the last of parts. This is part 3, last of the 3 experiments. This one, today I will use dish soap, dripping with the pipette on the flip cup, and I'm using just black, white and gold mixed with pouring medium into the quite thin consistency. This is the first series of this, so I'm still experimenting. If you want to know more, just go into the description box when you will be redirected to my first video that I did and explained a little more about it. I will do quite heavy layers of black, gold, white, okay, maybe I should do just the opposite way, but now it is what it is. Okay, doke. Let's just wait for a second, and I have mess on my table because I will maybe use some drips for the cabochons, and I don't want to scrape it before I will check if I can dip something into this. Okie doke, so today I will just slowly release paint in kind of a spiral way. Like that, okay. Don't want to go over the edge yet. Oh my God. Everything that was the most beautiful went off. But I will have to work with what I have. Soap and try to decide where to drop, and I will drop from up high to get some flowers or something. I want to look where maybe I see something underneath so that there is layers of paint. So don't want to mess this part. I kind of want one here, and we will see what will happen. So here is a close-up. Every one of them is so unique and interesting, and it's such a relaxing process. I can't wait to try this again, but with more colors. But look at all these beautiful things that are created. I love these small ones so much. These two black ones are so cute. 3. And this one. Okie doke. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up of the dry results. I already put a coat of resin on top, so maybe it will be a little hard to show you. This gold is so gorgeous. You see where my hand is. You see me. No. Let me try as I can. So I added a tree because I didn't like that part. I didn't film it, but if you like me to see how I embellish with a brush, some trees, let me know. But those kind of effects, flowers from dish soap or degreaser, I should say, just amazing. And those little ones are so cute, and everything looks so 3D with that tree. Aren't they cute? I'm still practicing with a brush again. I never worked with brush a lot because I used to draw, not paint a little bit. But now that I'm good at it, I didn't even find myself in that kind of art. But here I think that it's just added this painting something that she was missing. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.